What is up, guys? Anthony here, and today is the day, iPhone release day, September 20th, 2019. Let's get to unboxing this guy real quick so we can take a look. Anyway, here we go. Wow. Okay, so I know I said I probably wouldn't like the matte color, but damn, this is awesome. I love it, and I'm so glad that they started putting the iPhone on the top again. Before, with the iPhone 7 and the iPhone 8, they would put the paperwork on top, which was kind of annoying. So here it is. That is beautiful, honestly. I love it. It looks really good. And I guess this year they don't have the plastic wrap that goes over all of the phones, just the screen. So we're going to take a look at that in a sec. Here's the paperwork. So the box does look a little different this time. Just the standard stuff, Apple stickers hopefully. There you go. You get the Earpods. Of course, they're Lightning, no adapter anymore. And this here is new, the Usbc cable to Lightning. So if you're into that, cool. If not, sucks to be you. I guess you'll have to use your old ones. I'm not sure how I feel about it yet. I know it's a lot better to have USB-C, but when it's this end, I'm not sure if I'll have enough like wall outlets or car outlets to support this kind of cable. So hopefully that'll change soon, but for right now, I know my car outlet is a standard USB-A, so I won't be using this one. And look at that, massive power brick, 18 watts to support that fast charging, and of course the USB-C. So that's pretty much it, guys. That is the iPhone unboxing. Okay, let's take a look at the phone. It looks really, really good. I can't believe how well the matte finish looks. Anyway, it looks really cool the way it glistens. And I'm a fan of how they left this part just regular glossy. It looks nice. It adds like more dimension to the phone, in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think about the cameras. I don't hate them, but I can't say I love them either. It has a weird finish feel, like the finish is weird and it's different, but I don't know. I love it. I'm loving it. I think this part looks cool too. The way they were able to do a green band. I think that looks really sick. It's hard to show. There we go. So the green band looks really awesome. Yeah. The green band is just sick. It looks really good. There it is. By the way, I forgot to say what model I got. I got the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So this isn't the standard Pro. Wow. Anyway, I do have another surprise for you guys, and that is the forest green iPhone 11 Pro Max leather case. So that is this guy right here. So let's go ahead and unbox it real quick. Doesn't look as good as the phone, but still looks really awesome. It's looking good. If you guys remember from my last video, I already unboxed the Mayer Lemon color. So we're going to try both of these on the phone right now just to see how they look. The green looks good. It doesn't look that bad. And it obviously matches the phone. Cool. Slide it in there. Whew. It's very snug. And nice. Okay, so I love this combination. It definitely looks really nice. I don't know if I'm even gonna like the yellow after this. I kind of regret that yellow now. Let's go ahead and try it on though. Looks good. Okay, so not bad, but it just doesn't. It's not like that eye-catching, I guess. I thought it would look a little cooler with the contrasting colors, but it doesn't really stand out too much. It just looks okay, I guess. Definitely prefer the forest green over the Mayer Lemon. Let me know which one you guys liked. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you liked this unboxing. I'm definitely going to be doing a lot more iPhone videos in the coming weeks. So stay tuned for those if you're interested. And thanks for watching. See you guys next time.